But you'd wonder how the music went. There were house dances, but it wasn't like nowadays where they had 3-hour sessions in pubs. There was, and they'd go distances for tunes. Like Brendan going from Milltown to hear that tune from Micho. And I've heard a story about secretive fiddlers up in the north of Ireland, two brothers that played tunes that were weird and wonderful, but they wouldn't give them to anybody, and they wouldn't play them too often in case someone would learn them, because they were their property, And some of the prime boys got up on the thatched roof at night time, and they were listening down the chimney while they were playing the tunes inside in the house, and stole them that way, Nowadays you just press a button on Spotify and get your tune, but cold nights on a thatched roof, listening down the chimney was the old way, or other ways, But they were they were precious, and that's, I suppose, local music was like that then. And somebody would come from another place and carry the local tunes somewhere else. Get different versions happening then. You would never hear Irish music on radio even those days. It was there was no program. It was sort of playing jazz music or classical music or ballroom music, but except for Lear Rowsome and a couple of others, you'd very, very rarely hear anything on RTE. So they were sort of very interested in hearing, visiting musicians. Very welcoming as well.